Hey guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can delete a profile on Netflix. So you can just go to your netflix.com, log in into your account, and after that just go to this, click on or go put your cursor in here and there will be this menu. You can just click on the manage profiles option. So this is the manage profile page, and you can just select the profile that you want to delete. For example, I want to delete this profile. Just click on the pencil icon in here. So this is the profile that I want to delete, and you can just scroll down until you find the options to delete the profile. So click on this button and click on delete profile again. And after that, the profile has been deleted. Click on done and you'll be directed to the Netflix homepage again. So guys, that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.